Blah 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 blah. Hi, this is Nerf gun reviews, and I'm gonna see mods with the effects just a bit like this, but with guns. So that'd be pretty good. So first, I'll get my first gun. Oh my god, we got the Nerf radar. Right, so you've seen it like that, and now we're going to see what it looks like in a different mod. Whoa, that's awesome. Oh yeah, that's cool. That's a good gun. Now we move on to the Nerf long strike sniper. Great gun. Great for looking stack to snipe. Now we're going to see what it looks like in mod. Oh yeah, that looks cool. So that'll be a pretty good gun. Looks gold, doesn't it? So that's another good one. Finally, we've got the Nerf Buzzbee dumbbell. Oh wait. Yes, we got the dumbbell shot one now. Which is a really cool gun. Seriously, what you do is here, snap it down, back up, and shoot. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Now we're going to see him different mod. Whoa. You seen that bit? Yeah, that's cool. So yeah, that's another cool one. Now we're going to get my AK-47. I think this is the final one because I can't find my other guns. Oh damn it, damn it, damn it. Right, so that's the one. I got it when I was camping. Like that. Hold it like that. The spring broke here, so I can't fire it, but this is what it looks like in the mod. Pink. Whoa. That is cool. You can see the camo on it. That is cool. So yeah, that was all my guns. I have some other ones but I can't find them, so hopefully in another episode I'll be able to show them. But yeah, there's some pretty cool guns, and I'll see you guys in a bit. See ya.